In this video I'm going to show you how to do the ink flush in your Canon Pixma G series printers without wasting a lot of ink. Normally when you do an ink flush it takes a lot of ink, and if you have less ink in the ink tanks you have to refill it. To avoid that problem, just to do it without wasting a lot of ink, I'm going to show you a simple method for that. First step is to open the printer cover and look inside. We can definitely see there is no ink in the ink pipes. Close this chamber. Go to the printer display panel, scroll down and look for the maintenance option in the settings. In the maintenance option, again scroll down and look for the option replace ink in the printhead, or select the option ink flush if it's there. So any one of the option will work in the same way. Press OK. Select all colors. It will display like it will take a lot of ink, so that's okay. OK again. Again it will ask you, have you refilled the ink tanks, or if the ink is there up to a lowest single dot. Confirm OK and click yes. It will display like it's going to take around 6 minutes. Now open this chamber, look inside for the ink to flow. So right now we can see the ink is going through the pipes. Let all the ink go through with no bubbles left in the ink pipes. At this condition, right now there is no bubble inside. So that means we can switch off the printer. For that you have to unplug the power cable. Don't use the power button. Unplug it. The ink will stay there. Close this chamber. Now plug in the power cable. Switch on your printer. Just wait on the display panel. It will give you the error like your printer was shut off improperly. So we'll wait for that. It may take 1 or 2 minutes. Here is the message like printer was turned off improperly, so just press OK and then you will see the main screen of the printer. You can follow it for Canon Pixma G4270 printer or any other printer that has these options. And to double check if your printer nozzle is working properly or not, just scroll down, click on the maintenance and select nozzle check. Just press OK to print this sheet. So that will give you a clear idea if all the inks are working or not. Because it's going to print first time after we have done this kind of ink flush, it may take 1 or 2 minutes. But once it starts to print, you can resume the normal printing. So that is the page here, and we can clearly see it has printed all the colors. But sometimes the print is not clear. In case you see the inks are there but they are not printed properly, you can go for a couple of things. Go to the printer display panel, click on the next, select all A and press OK. Now to improve the print quality, if any of the ink is not showing properly right now, then click on the cleaning process and press OK. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. In this process, a very little amount of ink is used. Even with the ink flush, you can see there is no noticeable change in the ink level. All 4 inks are up to full. You can definitely save a lot of ink using this method. It won't take a lot of ink. You won't even notice how much ink is used because it uses a very less amount of ink. And again we will print the nozzle check sheet. This is an automatic printhead cleaning. It has done the general cleaning of the printheads. Confirm, OK. It's gonna print the nozzle check sheet. And you will see the printhead is clean. And that is clearly here. Now in case the text is blurry, if it's not printing in a very clear text, then we have to do the printhead alignment. So click on the next, select all A, press OK. You will again see the main screen. Scroll down, select the option printhead alignment and confirm it. It's gonna print the alignment page. Alignment page is printed. Lift this section. Place the alignment page facing down and press OK to scan. This will align the print heads. Press OK once it is done and you can click on the home button. So this will help you to save a lot of ink and time, and you can start printing in a better print quality. Thanks for watching.